Okay guys, this is what I pulled out. I had that MagnaFlow, wasn't happy with it. Only had it for maybe a month or two. But these are the original pipes. As you can see, that's a tailpipe. That's a tailpipe, left and right. It's the catalytic converter that was on there. And had some other stuff going on. Not sure what that is before it gets to the actual muffler, but yeah, that was on there. So it looked like it was pretty restricted versus to what is on there now, which is, here is what I installed. Full catback system, replaced everything. I have straight pipe, no catalytic converter. Alright guys, I'll go ahead and do a cold start here. This is, oh actually, let me show you the front. The grill, just got the, put the billet grill on there to match the rims. It's not that bad. It'll do. I do want to get that lift on there and get some thicker tires, and I think that's going to make that sucker look nice. But anyway, here's a start.
I took a loss, took it to the chin. If you wanna be the boss, then you gotta win. Won't other show love, but a cop 10. I know I broke your heart, though, back in.